Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Wahl T-Blade is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining peak performance in your grooming routine, ensuring every trim is as sharp and precise as the first, transforming an aging trimmer into a precision instrument capable of tackling intricate detailing, crisp lines, and smooth fades with renewed efficiency, ultimately saving you money and frustration by extending the life and utility of your favorite grooming tool without needing a full replacement. Number 5. Wahl Professional Extra Wide T-Blade. Experience superior grooming with this professional-grade tool. It's designed for barbers and stylists who demand the best in their craft. Its extra-wide T-Blade allows for faster and more efficient cutting. You can cover more area in less time, enhancing your productivity. This blade is fully adjustable to meet your specific needs. Easily modify its settings for various styles and preferences. With its zero-overlap capabilities, you can achieve incredibly close cuts and crisp lines. This feature ensures a smooth, seamless finish every time. It delivers high precision for detailed work and intricate designs. Trust it to provide the accuracy you need for perfect results. This tool combines versatility, accuracy, and ease of use. It's the ideal choice for any professional looking to elevate their craft. What we like. This blade offers an extra-wide cutting surface. If you're tackling larger areas or need to cover more ground quickly, its broad design is incredibly efficient. It's perfect for barbers who prioritize speed and precision on bigger canvases. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Please provide source reviews to extract points. Number 4. Wahl Professional T-Blade for Detailer and Hero Trimmers. Introducing the essential replacement blade for your Wahl trimmers. This professional-grade component ensures your grooming tools perform at their best. Its unique T-shape allows for intricate detailing and clean lines. Achieve sharp edges and perfect finishes with ease. This blade is fully adjustable, giving you complete control over your cutting length. Customize your trim for any style or preference. Designed specifically for Wahl Detailer and Hero trimmers, it offers a seamless fit. Ensure optimal performance and extend the life of your favorite tools. Replace your worn blade to restore the precision and sharpness of your trimmer. It helps you achieve professional quality results every time. What we like. This replacement blade is specifically designed for Detailer and Hero trimmers. Its adjustable nature allows for versatile cutting lengths, making it ideal for intricate work. If you own these specific Wahl models and demand consistent, precise results, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Andis T-Blade Replacement. Bring your favorite trimmers back to life with this essential component. It's designed for optimal performance and a fresh cut. This blade is engineered to fit Andis T-Outliner, GTO, Go, and SLS models. It ensures a seamless and secure attachment to your device. Achieve incredibly sharp lines and detailed finishes. It provides the close cutting performance you expect from professional tools. Designed for zero-gap precision, it allows for the closest possible shave. You can create crisp outlines and intricate designs with ease. Crafted with quality materials, this silver blade is built to last. It offers durability and a sleek look for your grooming tools. Maintain your professional edge with this high-quality replacement. It helps ensure every trim is precise and clean. What we like. This blade is engineered for an ultra-close, zero-gap cut. If you're aiming for crisp lines, sharp edges, and the closest possible trim, its design delivers unmatched precision. It's the perfect choice for those who specialize in detailed outlining and skin-close finishes. What people say. Number 2. Wahl 1045 Blade Set. Is your clipper losing its precision? Dull blades can make grooming a chore. This set brings back that like-new sharpness. Experience effortless cuts and clean lines once more. Its expertly crafted edges ensure every pass is smooth and efficient. Designed for consistent, high-quality results, it helps you achieve salon-worthy styles at home. You'll notice the difference immediately. Don't replace your entire clipper when only the blades need an upgrade. Installing these new blades is a cost-effective way to refresh your tool. Replacing your old blades is quick and easy, allowing you to get back to grooming without hassle. It ensures your device is always ready for peak performance. Upgrade your grooming experience with this essential replacement. It's the perfect way to maintain peak performance for your trusted device. What we like. This is a classic, reliable blade set known for its consistent performance. If you're looking for a dependable all-rounder for everyday trimming tasks, its robust construction ensures durability. It's an excellent option for general use and maintaining a sharp, clean look. What people say. Number 1. Wahl Professional T-Wide Gold-Plated Blade Set. Experience unparalleled precision with this professional-grade blade set. It's engineered to deliver consistently clean and sharp cuts, making every detailing task effortless. Beyond its superior performance, it boasts a luxurious gold-plated finish. This not only adds a touch of elegance but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear. Customize your cutting experience with its adjustable zero-overlap feature. This allows for incredibly close trims and crisp lines, essential for detailed work. Built for longevity, it features a robust DLC and titanium coating. This advanced treatment provides exceptional strength and ensures a longer-lasting sharp edge. This blade set is specifically designed for seamless integration with your Wahl cordless detailer. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance, making replacement simple. What we like. This premium blade features a luxurious gold plating and advanced DLC and titanium coatings. If you value enhanced durability, reduced friction, and a smoother cutting experience, its high-tech materials provide superior performance. It's ideal for professionals seeking a long-lasting, top-tier blade for their cordless detailer. What people say. The T-Blade design allows for precise trimming and crisp lines. It provides a close cut, ideal for detailed grooming work. The replacement blade maintains the original clipper's cutting performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.